Happy Sunday. I am actually outside about to change my headlight in my car. I have had this car since 2012. Never had to change a headlight or a tail light. So a blessing. But I'm gonna try to do this on my own because I don't want to pay the dealership or a mechanic to do this for me. I'm cheap like that. But yeah, this is a 2008 Nissan Altima. It is the coupe, which of course Nissan doesn't make those anymore. But I still love my car, and I'm car note free, which is another blessing. So I'm gonna try to get this done myself. I'm gonna start with the passenger side because I can easily access that, since you know I hit a curve and knocked the plastic piece out from under my car. So I'm gonna start with the passenger side and try to change that one first, and then move to the driver's side. So let's see how this goes. I think I can do it. So just to show y'all what plastic piece I'm talking about, is this right here. That's intact on the driver's side, but let me go around to the passenger side and show y'all that it is completely going on this side because I hit a curb. Me being me, I'm always hitting curbs, got issues. But yeah, the the headlight is up in there. I can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I YouTubed it, so I'm gonna try to change it myself, and we gonna see how this go. So I just want to show y'all progress. It took me a minute. I had to YouTube a second part because I couldn't get the harness loose, but yeah, I got the headlight out. Now I'm about to put the other one in. So I want to show y'all the headlight is on. My headlights are super foggy. I need that stuff to clean it, which will probably be my next project, because I had them cleaned once, but they got, you know, back to where they were. But the headlight is on. I did it. Yay. Okay, now this other side is gonna be a little more difficult because we got this piece right here, and I gotta start by unscrewing this. I'm kind of using my other phone to show y'all, but I gotta unscrew this and then take those clips out, that one, and I think that one has to come out to access my headlight on the driver's side. So let's get her done. All right, y'all, I just want to show you I did the other one. The light is on, turned up. I'm so proud of myself. This is my first time doing this, and again, I know my headlight needs to be cleared out, but your girl did it. I popped them screws out. I even found this up under this part, which is interesting. I guess from traffic or something, it got caught up in there. Ain't no telling how long it's been up in there, but your girl got her hands dirty. I don't even care because it's girl power. It's Black History Month. Shawty did that. Turn up.